I fi mae parkrun yn hollol bwysig pob dydd Sadwrn. Mae'n rad ac yn ddim. Rhedeg gan gwirfoddolwyr ac mae'n brilliant i fi a pawb sy'n dod. Mae'r atmosffer yn grêt.
So mae cael parkrun ym Mhontypridd dros y 10 mlynedd diwethaf, mae wedi bod yn grêt i'r dre. Ni wedi croesawu ymwelwyr o bob cwr y byd ac mae fe'n rhan hanfodol o'r cymuned nawr ym Mhontypridd. Mae fe'n grêt.
I've been here ever since day one, so 10 years I've been here now. It's just a massive family and it's a brilliant thing to do on a Saturday morning.
Okay, so the feedback that we get from participants is a really friendly, welcoming event, and we like to try and create a bit of an atmosphere out on course, and that's really provided by our volunteers. Without our volunteers, there is no parkrun. So even if you don't want to run, please come and volunteer and experience this really unique atmosphere here in Pontypridd.